there were times always that releases were being made in those environments when we are monitoring. The other one that we didn't encounter, which was not as big, was sometimes the environments, right? We didn't keep a good track and we were hoping we would get more information. We just weren't able to get that. But because of so many different teams being active in the same pre-production environments at the same time globally, there were times always that releases were being made in those environments when we are monitoring. And that sort of does a reset, that does unexpected connection issues and all that we encountered, which is we were like, is this an issue that we are introducing in terms of performance of the environment, or is this something else? And then just being able to get a calendar to say, hey, these are the windows that typically they follow for their deployments, right? As once we became aware of that, problem was gone. So those were some of the challenges, right? In terms of like the adoption, the implementation. Besides that, I think global organization, we had a team that was globally set. So getting everybody to agree on a coordinated timing and keeping a PTO calendar readily available to say, hey, how do we plan our sessions and hand-ins and check-ins and things of that nature? Logistics was part of the challenge, but once we figured out where everybody was located, it just was better planning.